Okay, so for this week, I was tasked with game logic, which includes dying and respawning, and sounds. So for dying and respawning, we have here a wind ground object. So if we look here, the end floor is marked with a tag called wind ground. Anything else in the scene that'll kill me is marked with the tag death ground. So I just put the player over here to show if the player hits the wind ground. For now, it just respawns. This is all going to change once we have more levels to connect to. And then if I land in the water, then it says I've died instead of that I've beat the level and respawns me. And then for the scripts, this is the game logic script that I wrote. So there's some strings that we used for the tags, just so I'm not throwing strings in there. Timers, which are used in the coroutines. Some of the player things that we need, such as the collider and rigid body. Some booleans that interact with the player controller script, and then an instance of the script, of the player controller script. Basically, I just check if the player is touching a surface by using physics.overlapBox, and this returns an array of all the colliders that the player is in contact with. I then iterate through that and check the tags and act accordingly to what the tag is, if it's going to kill the player or win the level. And this is, again, there's a lot more to add to this, but that'll be done once we have more levels to connect to, so that I can see where I need to respawn the player. Also added the audio manager class, and this was something from previously in this class that I've used in different projects now. And then the sound class, which is fairly simple, and then a background audio object. And the audio manager object and background audio object are originated in the menu scene and are marked as don't destroy on load, so that they carry through multiple scenes whenever they're loaded. And yeah, that's what I did this week.